New at 8 o'clock, state police are investigating a two-car crash that seriously injured a 5-year-old boy. Sky Eye was above that scene that shut down part of I-93 northbound in Andover. The fire chief tells WBZ one of the cars was stopped in the breakdown lane, and that's when it was rear-ended at a high speed by the other car. The impact of that crash sent the previously stopped vehicle across the highway. The occupants of the struck vehicle, a 5-year-old boy and his mother, did sustain serious injuries.